Here we have an old Lennox unit running. Right here you can see where it used to say Lennox on the side. And it's currently running, like I said. Over here, I don't know what band it's on this thing. But hard to read the model number. It starts out with, I'm just gonna put the camera right there. Starts out with HP16-651V-10P. It is, the serial number is, I cannot read the serial number because it is completely, hang on. I'm gonna see if I can move this thing out of the way slightly. Alright. Oh, it was made in 1987. The serial number is 5187C25754. Like I said, it's currently running. And you can see it is in fact Lennox, like right up there. You can see where it says Lennox on it. But yeah, this is the 1987 Lennox unit that's running. Not sure if it's a heat pump or a straight coil. I think the model number designates as a heat pump. But yeah, don't really have anything else much to talk about, though it's really odd looking. And this guy over here just started up actually. This guy's off earlier. So yeah, this is really odd looking. They don't have any visible fans on. There's coils. Here's an open side. Here's another open side. The model number on this guy is HP16-651U-10P. Serial number is 5187814239. It is also made in 1987. There is a fan in there, it looks like. The fan is right back there, as you can see. But yeah, that's another Lennox unit. It's another old Lennox unit that's currently running. So yeah, here we have a pair of 1987 Lennox units. I believe they're heat pumps, and they are currently running. Over and out.